What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. With the rise of cybercrimes, it is of paramount importance to have a strong password. Stronger passwords are harder to hack. Here are the requirements for a stronger password. Number 1. Your password should have at least 12 characters. The longer it is, the harder it is to guess. Number 2. Use both upper and lower case. This increases the number of permutations and it will be harder for a hacker to crack, even when using special hacking software. Number 3. Mix numbers and letters to avoid dictionary words. For example, instead of writing an S, put a 5. Number 4. Use at least one special character. That is, you can use the @ symbol, the hashtag, the $sign, etc., etc. And once you have created the strong password, change it regularly and never write it down or tell someone. If you have multiple accounts, do not reuse passwords. Create a unique strong password for each account. You can also use password managers like LastPass to help you remember your strong passwords. And as always, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you have liked this video, and remember to share with your friends as well. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.